Most people think you need to spend $5,000 to get high performance wheels from companies like BBS. We'll show you those in just a moment. But what if I told you you could get the same lightweight performance for a fraction of the price? Because, well, I've got pretty nice wheels there and I've bought many sets of wheels in my life before. But let's go check out what we bought for the Porsche 911. Let's save you thousands of dollars. Because today I bought these BBS wheels and, well, they are damaged, but they're not completely destroyed. And we bought them for almost nothing because they look kind of unsalvageable with the road rash on the curbs, on the sides. They've got scratches. They're completely chipping out. We'll get a better picture of those in just a moment, but can they actually be restored into real performance wheels, saving us thousands of dollars? Because lightweight wheels are going to bring you a great amount of performance. Let's talk about that. Is the performance worth it? Because if you buy new, you're going to be spending between $5,000 and $10,000 for a set. But let's face it, lightweight wheels are one of the most powerful upgrades you can make to a car. Reducing wheel weight improves acceleration, braking, suspension response, as well as steering feel. And because wheels are both rotating and unsprung mass, removing just a few pounds can make a huge difference, folks. But high-end forged wheels from companies like BBS can easily cost $4,000 all the way to $10,000 for a set. So instead of buying or trying to buy new ones, I tried something way different. Pretty unusual. So I found this set of genuine BBS performance wheels being sold cheaply because, well, they were damaged, and I actually got them on trade and cash down for my RH wheels. They have curb rash, scratches, and a worn finish, and actually chipped finish. And anyways, chrome's not really my thing. So in the comments, before we go any further, drop what color would you get these wheels painted. In our case, they're going to be going on a 911 Porsche. So a Porsche 911 red, guards red to be precise. Now, most people walk away from wheels like this because, well, they look pretty darn nasty. And because forged wheels are extremely strong, they can be often professionally repaired and finished. There's a reason brands like BBS are used on high-performance cars and motorsport vehicles. Forged wheels are significantly lighter, extremely strong, and designed for performance driving. Compared to cheaper cast wheels, they can save 6 to 12 pounds per wheel. We'll also go with that, if you are buying new, a happy medium that you can consider in just a moment. But taking away 6 to 12 pounds per wheel, that means removing 24 to nearly 50 pounds of rotating mass from the car. And because this weight is rotating, the performance impact is far greater than removing the same weight from the chassis. It's going to be worth about 3 to 5 times more. So we're going to be saving the equivalent of like 200 to 300 pounds from the vehicle. So the plan was simple. Step 1, let's repair the curb damage. Step 2, completely refinish the wheels. Step 3, repaint them so they look brand new. So the goal here is not just cosmetic. The goal is to create a set of high-performance, lightweight wheels for a fraction of the price. So let's check out the actual results. This is the before, and in a moment, let's check out the results. The wheels truly went from horrible to incredible. 0 to hero. These wheels went from looking completely destroyed to looking like a brand new set of performance wheels. And yes, they truly are performance wheels. Here's the breakdown. The damaged wheels, got them on trade. Otherwise, we would have paid about $500 for this set. Don't pay more than $1,000. You should easily find them between $500 and $1,000. Now, repairing the wheels has been $400, so only $100 per wheel, and a brand new set of similar BBS forged wheels could cost roughly $4,000 to $6,000, which means this restoration saved thousands of dollars while still delivering the same lightweight performance and benefits. So now the question for you is, would you buy damaged performance wheels and restore them, or would you rather buy a brand new set? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy performance upgrades that actually make a difference, subscribe because we're testing a lot more upgrades like this. Now, remember, the whole point of this is that braking better with performance wheels, suspension better, handling, the handling as well as the overall feel. so much better because these are significantly lighter, extremely strong, and really made for performance driving. Now let's cover exactly why you want to be considering upgrading your wheels. It is one of the biggest and most effective performance upgrades you can make to a vehicle because they reduce unsprung mass and rotational inertia, two factors that significantly influence how a car accelerates, brakes, and handles, folks. Wheels are part of the vehicle's unsprung mass. Those are the components not supported by the suspension, such as wheels, tires, and brakes. When wheel weight is reduced, the suspension can react faster and more precisely to bumps and road imperfections. Tire contact with the road improves, increasing greatly the grip and the stability. The vehicle benefits from better ride quality and handling control, especially during aggressive driving or on uneven surfaces. Even a small reduction, such as 3 to 5 pounds per wheel, can noticeably improve suspension performance. So we'll cover, if you do buy new, which ones you might want to consider for the best overall bang for your buck. Now, lower rotational inertia is great because wheels rotate, their weight has a larger effect than static vehicle weight. A heavier wheel requires more energy to spin up and slow down. So this is good for fuel economy even as well. Lighter wheels therefore provide improved acceleration. The engine needs less torque to spin those wheels. Shorter braking distances because, well, the brakes work against less rotational mass. And more responsive throttle and steering feel. Those are all good things. More power, pedal to the metal, and more power is what we're looking for. This is why high-performance vehicles often use forged aluminum or magnesium wheels, which are lighter but stronger, even carbon fiber. So improved handling and agility, reducing rotating mass at the corners of the car improves turn-in response, steering precision, overall agility in the corners. Drivers often notice that the car feels more eager and responsive, particularly in performance driving situations. Now, the potential efficiency benefits, although not the primary reason for lighter wheels, reducing rotational mass can slightly improve fuel efficiency or electric vehicle range, since less energy is required to keep the wheels moving. And, well, the strength to weight advantages of premium wheels, you get greater structural strength in case you hit a curb on the racetrack or on the street, better resistance to cracking or bending, so great over time, and improved durability under track or aggressive driving conditions. Now, is it worth paying more for lighter wheels? Well, if you value performance, handling, and responsiveness, lighter wheels are widely considered one of the highest impact upgrades per pound removed. I highly recommend it. For every 1 pound you take off per wheel, you're going to be saving 5 to 6 pounds of, like, the equivalent of 5 to 6 pounds in the vehicle. So you can be saving the equivalent of 200 to 300 pounds off your vehicle by shaving 4, 5, 6 pounds off each wheel. That is huge. So performance engineers generally use the rule of 1 pound removed from the wheel equals 4 to 6 pounds removed from the car. Now, which ones should you get? Well, do really consider this because you're getting quicker acceleration, sharper throttle response, and less drivetrain strain. All very, very good things. Now, here's what you can expect for wheels. If you go with cheap cast wheels, they're going to be 25 to 34 pounds each. If you go with flow-formed performance wheels, they're going to be about 21 to 24 pounds, and forged performance wheels are going to be 18 to 22 pounds. If you want the best, if you are going to consider buying new, go with flow-formed performance wheels because they're going to be about half the price of forged performance wheels. So this is what you need to know. Forged wheels from BBS, for example, are going to be running you between $5,000 and $10,000 per set. But if you go with something that's lightweight but affordable, go with performance wheels that are going to be forged wheels here. Go with flow formed or lightweight cast. It's going to be much cheaper than forged wheels. You're still going to save roughly 4 to 7 pounds over cheap wheels, cast wheels, and they're going to run you about $1,200 to $2,000 per set. So you can get, whether you're looking at some low-end BBS wheels or NK wheels, consider flow-formed or lightweight cast as opposed to just regular cast wheels. So let's run the numbers again. Cheap OEM cast wheels, 28 to 30 pounds. Performance flow-formed, 22 to 24 pounds a wheel. And forged BBS wheels, 18 to 21 pounds per wheel for the price difference. If I were buying new, I would definitely go with the performance flow formed wheels. But never with chrome. We've done this with the exact same wheels, same model at least, but these were ones that were already painted silver, and they were also trash, and it worked out well. But were they as trash as the current chrome ones? No, they weren't. So this really is experimental. The process isn't done yet, so please do drop a comment on what color you think it should go. The wheels, that is, because the car isn't changing colors. This is Porsche 911 guards red. And the trick is a lot of Porsche 911s come with BBS wheels from factory. The OEM are aluminum forged wheels. They're worth a small fortune, but good luck finding a 20 or 30-year-old Porsche 911 that doesn't have disgusting original OEM wheels. That's why we see so many Porsche 911s with cheap wheels on them. Why go with a cheap brand and heavy wheels that ruin your performance when you can go with the real deal, the BBS wheels that you would normally spend $5,000 to $17,000 depending on the quality of those BBS wheels. So transform them. But let's find out, catch another video, the results of working on these chromed aluminum wheels. So all you have to do is subscribe and turn bell notifications on. Now, if you found this video that's aimed at saving you thousands of dollars and you want ways to save thousands of dollars and get general automobile advice, tips, tricks, car care, and car reviews, join Johnny's Car Care and Reviews. If you subscribe, turn bell notifications on, please share this video. If you really want to help the channel out in this family-owned business, become a member. That way you're really supporting the team here. And until next time, I wish you all more cars and more power. Godspeed and God bless everybody.